China signaled on Sunday that it would not back down in the face of a 100% tariff threat from President Donald Trump, urging the US to resolve differences through negotiations instead of threats. China's Commerce Ministry in a statement mentioned China's stance is consistent. We do not want a tariff war, but we are not afraid of one. Frequently, resorting to the threat of high tariffs is not the correct way to get along with China. The response came 2 days after Trump threatened to jack up the tax on imports from China by November 1st. This was in response to new Chinese restrictions on the export of rare earths, a key ingredient for many consumer and military products. The back and forth threatens to derail a possible meeting between Trump and Chinese leader Xi Jinping and end a truce in a tariff war in which new tariffs from both sides briefly topped 100% in April. Trump has raised taxes on imports from many US trading partners this year, seeking to win concessions in return for tariff reductions. China has been one of the few countries that hasn't backed down, relying on its economic clout. Both sides accuse the other of violating the spirit of the truce by imposing new restrictions on trade. Trump said China is becoming very hostile and that it's holding the world captive by restricting access to rare earth metals and magnets. China's new regulations require foreign companies to get special approval to export items that contain even small traces of rare earth elements. These critical minerals are needed in a broad range of products, from jet engines, radar systems, and electric vehicles. China accounts for nearly 70% of the world's rare earths mining and controls roughly 90% of the global rare earth processing. Access to material is a key point of contention in trade talks between Washington and Beijing. The impact of the tariff affected the crypto market. More than 1.6 million traders lost over $19 billion on cryptocurrency bets as the market crashed from Donald Trump's announcement of 100% tariffs on China. Citing 24-hour data from CoinGlass, the report noted that more than $19 billion have been wiped out in the largest liquidation event in crypto history. It added that more than 7 billion of these positions were sold in less than 1 hour of trading on October 10th.